Help maximize clicks limited by bit strategy but low conversion. Okay, let me see your query first. Hello, hi. I'm running local service Google Ads. Okay, we ran Google Ads and did well with campaigns using maximized conversions and some using maximized clicks. However, last few months my website was hacked. Sorry to hear about it. Okay, we clear everything and submitting appeal to Google Ads, which was approved. Okay, very good. But one problem appeared. We got low quality leads from maximized conversions, and after researching, the Google AI machine might reset the data of potential leads after the hack. So we change all campaigns to maximize clicks. However, with the same budget before, changing bid strategy, we were hit by a higher CPC, limited by bid strategy, but low clicks and low leads. For now, I do for all campaigns maximize clicks with exact match, mix of short and long tail keywords. Need advice on how to do overcome this matter. Thanks in advance. Okay, TLDR change, maximize conversions to maximize clicks after website hacks, produce low clicks and low conversions after bid strategy change. Okay, so in my opinion, whenever a situation like this happens, when your account gets suspended or when you do not run a campaign for a while, and it's very true that the Google AI machine may reset your data, and in a scenario where it's not working well to generate leads with maximized conversions using the exact match, I may go with maximized conversions, maximized clicks with phrase match. Okay, that may help me. Okay, now you are going maximize clicks with exact match. Yeah, that is a good strategy, but I in my opinion go with the phrase match and focus on negatives, and this way it will help you to regain what was your lost traffic, what was your lost leads, and then once you start getting leads, then the campaign may be optimized, and then after some time you can go back on maximize conversions, and that can reduce productive results. Now this is the campaign strategy on the site, but if have you changed any landing page, any seasonal change in the local area of the market, any new competitors in the market, any things happen in that aspect as well, do consider those things as well, and that can affect your sales ad generation. So yeah, I hope this answers your question query, and if anyone is a professional with Google Ads, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. Don't forget to hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are also known as arswebs.com, and we help clients with Google Ads, Meta Ads, web designing, Shopify designing, and a lot more. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.